Last time on the Combi Chronicles, we visited Zion National Park where we hiked the famous Angel's Landing Trail and through the Narrows Gorge. We were now only a few hundred miles away from Vegas where we would be meeting my parents and getting a new belt for our alternator.
To the east, the road beneath my feet. To the west, but I haven't got there yet. And to the north, never to be caught. To the south, my time is running out.
So we are driving to Las Vegas and it's Christmas Eve. As you can see, I've got my sunglasses on and my bottle hat, Christmas jumper as well. And as we just go past this building to the left, in the horizon, you're going to see Las Vegas. There she is. Eiffel Tower. Should have had a Blackpool Tower. Everyone knows that's the better one. Made it to Vegas. We are in a car park waiting for Willow's parents to arrive on one of the planes coming in behind me. They're here in a few hours and then we're gonna get Christmas started. So what are we doing?
Christmas cooking!
Christmas cooking.
I'm making a lemon drizzle and I'm halfway through nut roast.
Yummy.
Christmas Day arrived and we decided to head out into Vegas and explore the famous Strip.
'Cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time. 'Cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
It's almost like we're in Venice. Here's our Christmas Day cooking. We've got wine out. Brussels sprouts and a wine sauce. Our veg is prepped. And what's over there?
Getting there. My roast potatoes.
In our Ramoska.
Yeah, baby.
It is Boxing Day morning and we are outside Willow's parents' hotel room. But look what we have now.
A belt.
Belt. Woo! So Willow's best Christmas present.
I can't decide actually.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives.
Currently driving up to Hoover Dam. Creeping along to go over it.
By taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof. Go on.
Latest Ruby problem. Our clutch cable has just snapped coming away from Hoover Dam. Luckily, we have a spare one with us and Willow is swapping it over. Always carry a spare clutch cable.
With the clutch cable replaced, we began our 7,000-foot ascent towards the town of Flagstaff. As we got nearer, it began snowing and soon we were driving through difficult conditions in the dark in a blizzard. It was a little unexpected when our engine started to run too hot, and it was only when we reached our destination that we realised the radiator and scoop had completely filled with snow.
So this is us topping up our water tank. Looks like some weird science experiment.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences.
We're near the Grand Canyon, just getting ready for our helicopter tour.
Months of rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is grey inside this narrow maze. We speak, but oh, nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I, we got our differences. Yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Everything is great.
After the helicopter tour, we decided to drive closer to the canyon so we could have a better look at it.
Everything has lost its taste. Ooh. Months of rain and chest pain.
So we're driving along to a ghost town called Ballarat and our shock absorber bolt fell out on the bumpy trail. Not the same one as before, so this is the other one now. Happy New Year.
Chest pain.